If I had £1 for every time somebody comments on social media when we release a Liberty Walk car, how does that get over speed bumps? How do you drive that? Or to smash a splitter off that, this build would be an F40 build, not the 348. I'm going to show you how Liberty Walk cars drive over speed bumps and don't smash their splitters. Most of our builds have air suspension. We're lucky enough to be partnered with AirREX and AirREX Europe to get the very best custom-made struts and management for the 348. So we're going to open up these and see what's included and what's involved. So what we've got here is the new REX digital management. Let's have a look what's included. Very well packaged. So, what do we have here? Unpack the management. We've got a 3-gallon tank, fully integrated manifold, via compressor, and a wireless remote handset. These have been improved massively, now completely wireless. And here you can set the height of each individual corner or front or rear. So with all these parts, we can now do the boot build in the front of the Ferrari just as we want it. In here, we've got the struts. Now AirREX are famous for their struts. I don't think there's another company that do so many applications for high-end supercar builds. These are tailor-made for the 348. They're not universal struts. They're built specifically for the 348. So let's have a look at these. So, the struts. The famous white colour of AirREX struts. This is a front strut, fully adjustable in height, 12-click damping adjustable. We even get damping adjustable extenders, so if they're in a hard to reach place you can fit the extender and you've got the 12-click adjustment wherever you want it. On the rear, very similar, double bellow bag, still got the damping adjustable and still adjustable for height. So you can set this up for whatever you want, whether you want extra clearance, whether you want it on the floor. Of course with us, we're going to want it on the floor. The quality of these dampers is fantastic. They are vehicle specific, they are chassis mounted specific. So it's the only one to go for when we're building a Liberty Walk car. We're going to go and get this fitted. Once fitted, it shows how usable Liberty Walk cars can be. A number of our customers have been on track, and I think we're going to take our 348 for a few track days as well. We've used a few Liberty Walk cars on track. We was at Donington in the McLaren recently. But with AirREX, it can be set up for any use you want. It's regularly used on track and even an FIA approved kit on a Ferrari in the Taiwan Racing Series. So we're going to go and get this fitted. It's going to be slammed. We're looking forward to it. So as the kit is still not available, being released at Tokyo Auto Salon in January, we're going to go ahead and get this fitted because what's better than a 348 bagged? So we're going to get that done. It's off the throttle bodies at the moment. When it comes back to us, 2-3 weeks, we're going to fit this, stay tuned and see what it looks like.